a bit of an unusual video for the channel. I went to the NAMAC event yesterday in the Netherlands. I got back with a whole bunch of wonderful stuff, but often there's some old stuff in there that's dirty and grimy and needs cleaning. And while I was cleaning this beautiful Majorette car transporter, the Renault Saviem PS30, I thought, well, why don't I just show a little bit of what I do? And well, I don't know if you will enjoy this, but anyway, I thought it was worth a try. I'm cleaning it anyway. So I already did the bottom part, this nice metal flake or metallic blue has already been done. It's got a few paint chips, as you can see. It's not mint, but that's not to be expected from something that looks this dirty and grimy. Already did the first section here. Just, I didn't want you to have to look through the whole thing of cleaning this thing up. And I also did not want to edit it by fast forwarding it. So yeah, I'm just going to do these last two sections. I started out with a Q-tip, but that didn't work very well. So I brought out the big guns, a old toothbrush from an electric toothbrush. So the product I use is this. It's a Dutch product. I learned to know this product when I was working for Mercedes more than 20 years ago. And that's also how old this bottle is, but the product still works wonderfully. And you can buy it on Amazon, at least here in Belgium and the Netherlands, I guess. Maybe in other countries too. Just have to be careful on older Matchbox, for instance. It might take off the paint. So if there's not a good clear coat on it, on the diecast car or vehicle, yeah, this product might take off some paint. So you have to test it first. It's safe to use on this one. As you can see, the bottom part is all cleaned up. I don't know if the lighting will be good enough, but it's just kind of a makeshift video. So let's start with this one. Let's tilt you guys a little bit lower. Like that, yeah. Okay, squirt some of the product on there. I've rinsed this toothbrush with some hot water because I want to get some foam or foamy result. That's what you want to get. Nice foamy result. That's what activates the product and cleans it up nicely. And this one, you can just use what's left over on the toothbrush from the other side. Should work fine. So I haven't done a NAMAC video since last year. I went to every event, but because these NAMAC videos take so much time to prepare, and this is one of the reasons why, cleaning up old diecast, And I don't have a lot of time to do that. The videos just don't get done. They will eventually, but you know, just need some more time. I have this microfiber cloth that can just wipe off the residue. And there you have it. A nice and shiny second part of the top deck. Any microfiber cloth will do. I get this roll from just a big roll that you can rip off a cloth from Action discount stores. They're dirt cheap. You can wash them. See, just rip along this line, and yeah, good stuff. And I get to the next one. I'm just going to rinse off my toothbrush because, you know, dirty, and works better with some fresh water. Again, rinse some product on there. You can see again some dirt spots, and yeah, believe me, these won't come off easily otherwise. So let's put some product on there. And then just do the other side with the same amount of product I've already have on the toothbrush. For this, the last section, I will just lower the ramp. I can just easily just put my thumb underneath the top deck. There you go. Wipe it off. Nice and clean and shiny again. Sweet. So I'm just going to check the bottom side. So this underneath I've already cleaned, but as you can see, there's some buildup foam. That's usually, yeah, normal, happens because it gets through the holes. So I'm going to just give that a wipe again. That's okay. I knew that was going to be necessary, to be needed, to be done. Because, you know, this is not my first rally, or how do you say that? And there you have it. One nice and clean car transporter ready to go into the collection. And, you know, I pride myself in only showing you guys clean stuff. At least I always try to. It might not have always been the case, but I think my viewers deserve to see nice clean diecast. Might not always be mint and new, but at least it's clean. So you'll see this again when I do the Namak video on what I bought, and I'll show it into a little bit more detail, the functioning of it, of course, and maybe put a Majorette car on there. Thanks for watching.